All right, I just got my dash cam in. It's a 4K dash cam. The brand name is ONDASHCAM. It has 24-hour parking mode. It supports a 512 gigabyte SD card, has G sensor and lock, night vision, supports Android and Apple. 170-degree viewing range. This is a frontal camera only. It's not the front and the rear. 3.5 LCD screen with resolution of 3840 by 2160. Has a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Operating temperatures are -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Has a lens aperture of 1.8, so it should have pretty good night vision. We're going to open it up and take a look. All right, I just got my dash cam in, and it is a 4K dash cam. The brand name is ONDASHCAM. It has the 24-hour parking mode, supports up to a 520 gigabyte SD card, has a G sensor and lock, has 170 degrees viewing field. Also has GPS on it. We're going to open it up and have a look. Let's look at the camera first before we look at anything else, because that was the first thing that was on the top. Oh, this kind feels very good. It feels solid. It is plastic, but it feels very solid. By the looks of it, I would say the GPS is in this part right here, and it will connect on top of the camera. Just like so. Comes with your power cord. There's a little tool to pull the headliner down to run your cable through there. And this one comes with an SD card. Not many do. 32 gigabyte SD card. There's your mount connector up here where I already slid this on there, and it shows your speaker to be over here on the side. This first button right here is the... All right, as far as your button controls go, this first button right here is going to be your lock and unlock button, as well as the menu button. Thing is, down here is your pause button, and you need to hit that button before you can get into the menu button. If you have it plugged in and recording, hit the pause. This button down here is the pause button. The button right next to the menu button is going to be your replay button and your sound button. And it also functions as your OK button when you're in the menu and you get to this, get whatever set you want set, just hit that button and it's like the OK button on your remote. If you need to take a quick picture for whatever reason, it's going to be that button right there. Buttons also are your up and down buttons. You can move up and down the menus. Like I said, this is your pause button. You hit that before you can get into the menu while it's recording. Kind of a quick breakdown of those. If you will just play with those buttons, you'll get them figured out. It's pretty simple. Get the SD card in here and get it hooked up, and we will get some footage to see what it looks like.